So in this tutorial, we're going to talk about numbers and basic arithmetic. So in Python, there are 3 different types of numbers. There are integers, so basically numbers without a decimal point. There are floating point numbers, which are basically numbers with a decimal point. So, and there's like complex numbers. Like, yeah, I'm not your math teacher. So, you know. The interesting part is that the I is replaced with J. So like that. You run that? Yeah, cool. So this one is a integer, float, point number, and a complex number. Cool. So you can do arithmetic with these numbers. For example, we can print out x plus 20, which would be 120. Obvious. We can do x plus y too, which would be like 123.432, like that. We can also do, like y plus complex number too. It adds to the 1, like that. So we can minus, so there should be like, we can minus that. Yep. And so let's get rid of all of these, and let's just print some adding. So like print 10 plus 20. Okay, this is adding, so that'd be 30. We can print 30 minus 20, which would be 10. And we can replace each of these with, like floating point number and a complex number. We can also do like multiplying like that using an asterisk. So this would be 600. And then we can also do dividing. So let's see, 2 divided by 10, that'd be 0.2. We can also do is 2 slashes, which are just, round it to the nearest integer, I think. Yeah, so 4. If you remove it, it gives you the exact value. You can also use the percent sign to get the remainder of 2 numbers. This would be 1. So yeah, so I forgot to mention how you would like convert between numbers. So you can print out. Let's convert. So we use int and then brackets. And inside the brackets, we can put a floating point number like 0.23, which would give you 0 since it rounds. I guess like 0.998 would give you. Oh wait. So I guess it rounds down. So this should be 1 then. Cool. So yeah, if you can try converting a floating point number into an integer, it rounds down. You can also convert integer into a floating point number. This would be 30.0. Notice how there's a decimal point there, so it's a floating point number. Let's try this. I don't know what happened. Oh, can't convert complex to float. So you can't convert like complex numbers to integers or floats, I assume, because this won't work either. Okay, but you can convert integers and floating point numbers into complex numbers, so complex, and then brackets, and inside the brackets you can just put any number, 40, 48, and it has a J for you, 480. Cool.